Welcome to our channel, Better the Kids. Are you struggling to keep your kids entertained and learning at home? What if I told you that you can turn everyday moments into fun, educational activities? In today's video, I'll share 5 creative and easy ways to teach your kids, without them even realizing they're learning. Stay with us till the end, because these activities are sure to spark curiosity, boost creativity, and make learning super fun. Number 1. DIY science experiments. Kids love hands-on activities, and what better way to teach them about science than simple, safe experiments at home? You can create a volcano eruption using baking soda and vinegar, or make slime to teach them about chemical reactions. These experiments spark curiosity and make learning fun. Number 2. Storytelling sessions. Encourage your kids to let their imagination run wild by creating their own stories. You can take turns building a story, one sentence at a time, or have them illustrate a story they create. This not only improves their creativity, but also helps with language development and communication skills. Number 3. Indoor treasure hunt. Make learning fun with an indoor treasure hunt. Write simple clues related to numbers, letters, or even shapes, and hide them around the house. Kids can solve the clues to find small prizes or their favorite toy. This activity sharpens their problem-solving and critical thinking skills while keeping them active. Number 4. Build a mini garden. Teach your kids about nature and responsibility by creating a mini garden together. You can start with small pots and plant seeds or grow herbs. As the plants grow, your kids can learn about biology, the environment, and the importance of taking care of living things. Number 5. Math with everyday objects. Turn everyday items into learning tools. Use toys, food, or household items to teach basic math concepts. You can count, sort by size or color, or even do simple addition and subtraction. It's an easy way to make math part of everyday life without it feeling like a chore. These activities are not only fun but also help your kids learn new skills, stay engaged, and explore the world around them. Try them out and see how learning at home can be a blast. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with other parents, and comment below with your favorite activity. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Better the Kids, for more fun educational tips and activities. Thanks for watching.